The latest update coming from the Enforcement Directorate probe in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Sources now telling us that the electronic devices that are seized by the agency, including the devices of the prime suspects, have now been sent to the forensic lab of the Enforcement Directorate. The agency will also be retrieving the deleted messages. Those are the details now coming in. The latest update with regards to the Enforcement Directorate, which is currently probing the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Remember, the Enforcement Directorate is currently probing the money laundering angle in this entire case. Now, sources are telling us that the electronic devices are going to be seized by the agency, which also includes the devices of the prime suspects that has now been sent to the forensic lab for further testing by the Enforcement Directorate. The agency, in fact, is also now going to be retrieving the deleted messages in this regard. Let me bring in my colleague Bhavtosh for further updates on this. Bhavtosh, what more details can you share with us at this point? The various aspects of the probe on the money laundering that the Enforcement Directorate is doing at this point.
Apurva, much like CBI, even the Enforcement Directorate has its own forensic lab. It's in at least 3 states, including Delhi and Mumbai. The seized electronic items, which includes mobile phones of Riya Chakravarti, her brother, and also father, and also mobile phone and laptops and iPads of all those who have been questioned in this case, have now been sent for forensic examination. Now, the reason why this has been done is that when ED officials were going through the dump data, they found that some messages, both WhatsApp as well as SMS, have been deleted. The deletion of these messages happened between May and June. Whether it's important or whether these messages are important or not, that has not been confirmed by ED. But they have said that 2 things can happen. One, it can be inadvertently deleted by someone, or someone could have purposely deleted it so that investigators don't see it. And to retrieve these data, these electronic gadgets have been sent for forensic examination. They have also said that forensic experts have also been told to retrieve any other kind of data that has been deleted, including emails and also some folders or some files or photographs. And ED has said that they are hopeful that by next week they will get all the deleted data retrieved, and then these key players in this case will be called in for questioning again.